Welcome to the Convergence Emergence channel, where we discuss disruptive technological innovation of emergent technologies and how the scope of these technologies expand as they converge together.
And maybe you can start off by telling us a little bit about what the intersection between blockchain technology and artificial intelligence actually is.
Blockchain and AI are both foundational technologies for the next few decades. They're both key parts of creating a beneficial technological singularity, which is really what I'm after with all of my science and engineering and other work. And I do think AI, in a way, is the foundational technology. I mean, if you can make a machine smarter than people and benevolently oriented toward people, then, as I.J. Good said in 1965, like the first truly intelligent machine will be the last invention that humanity needs to make, right? So in a way, AI potentially trumps everything. On the other hand, how do you get to that AI that trumps everything, right? And one key aspect when one thinks about the advent of AI in the next years and decades is who owns the AI, who controls the AI, based on what set of inputs is the AI learning and evolving and developing. And this is really where blockchain comes in, because using blockchain as a foundation for AI allows AI to be controlled in a decentralized manner without any single point of failure, without any single point of control.
So, where does the AGI token come into all of this for Singularity Net?
So Singularity Net, we can look at as a layer in the decentralized tech stack, right? And Singularity Net, it's a multi-agent system that allows multiple AI agents to communicate, cooperate with each other, share information, outsource work to each other. And the AGIX token it's the payment token, it's the reputation rating token, it's the governance and voting token of this multi-agent AI system. Now, on top of this multi-agent AI system, you need specific AI algorithms to go into those agents, right? And I mean that's among other things where the OpenCog Hyperon system I've been working on comes in, which is a sort of neural symbolic AGI platform designed for implementation on Singularity Net. But we also have various sorts of neural nets and other reasoning systems running on Singularity Net, right? So Singularity Net is a multi-agent system for AI. It's designed to run distributed on top of a blockchain. And on top of it, you have specific AI algorithms and architectures. On top of those AI algorithms, you have vertical market specific products doing, say, decentralized finance, like our Singularity DAO products, or doing medical AI, like our Rejuve products and so forth. Now, below Singularity Net in the tech stack, of course, you need a blockchain, right? And below the blockchain, you've got computer operating systems and the internet. Below that, you got compute hardware, right? So, I mean, there's a lot of pieces here to what we're building. And for the blockchain aspect, of course, we launched Singularity Net running on Ethereum pretty much because it was there. It was easier to work with Ethereum smart contracts than to build our own blockchain or to build on top of Bitcoin, which didn't have as mature of a smart contract framework. I was never incredibly happy with Ethereum. And I mean, I love the Ethereum guys, and the philosophy of a world computer is kick-ass, right? But the Solidity is not a very advanced programming language. If you look at the modern theory of programming languages and computer science, and proof of work in the form that you have in Bitcoin or Ethereum didn't ever turn me on too much, just because of the, hastening the heat death of the universe unnecessarily, and the heat death of the planet as well, right? So when I saw Cardano emerging based on Haskell as a smart contract language, which is a fundamentally superior programming approach to Solidity, WebAssembly, and so forth, and And without this legacy of proof of work to overcome either, it was very appealing to move the underlayer of SingularityNet onto Cardano.